Exercise 5.3, question number 1. Find the value of the unknown x in the following triangles. So, three triangles have been given here. So, in each triangle we are going to see two angles is given, and we are going to find out the third angle here. So, we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 here, and we are going to find out the third one here. So in the question 1, suppose the first one, the sum of angles is 180. Suppose angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees here. So now angle A is x here, and angle B is 50 here, and angle C is 60 here. That is equal to 180, and 50 plus 60, that is 110, that equal to 180 here, and x is equal to 180 minus 110, that equal to 70 degrees here. So this is angle x. Second one, when you are going to see, so this is angle P here, angle R plus angle Q, that equal to 180 degrees here. So angle P, that is 90 degrees, angle RX, angle Q, that is 30 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 120 equal to 180, x equal to 180 minus 120, x equal to 60 degrees here. Third figure, when you are going to see, so angle x plus angle y plus angle z, that equal to 180 degrees here. Angle x is 30 degrees plus angle y is 110 degrees, and angle x, z you are going to find out, that equal to 180. So x plus 140 equal to 180, and x equal to 180 minus 140, then x equal to 40 degrees. So angle x is 40 degrees here. Question number 2. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. So this is the diagram. PQR triangle is given here. We are going to find out x and y here. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite angles here. So here we are going to see, and also a linear pair angle we are going to see here for y here. So here exterior angle, that is 120 degrees, which is equal to the sum of opposite angles x plus 50 here. So here x plus 50 degrees is equal to 120 degrees, and x equal to 120 minus 50, that equal to 70 degrees here. And we know that y and 120 degrees, these are the linear pairs. That means y plus 120 degree, that equal to 180, and y is equal to 180 minus 120, that equal to 60 degrees here. So this is the way we calculate here. And also we can calculate the sum of angles is 180 degrees, and already we know 50 and x is 70. So 50 plus 70 plus y that equal to 180, and 120 plus y equal to 180, and y is equal to 180 minus 120, that will be 60 degrees. So in this way also we can calculate. The concept is the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite angles, and also we can keep the other condition like linear pair is equal to 180 degrees, and also we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So all these theorems we can apply here and find out the x and y value. In any method you can find out the angles. Now, second one, when you are going to see a triangle is given here where x 50 and y and here 80 degrees. So x will be 80 degrees, angle x is equal to 80 degrees. The reason is vertically opposite angles, here opposite angles, vertically opposite angles are equal here. So x value is 80 degrees. Now we know the sum of angles are 180 degrees. Now here 50. Now x is 80, and we are going to find out y, that equal to 180. Then y is equal to 180 minus 130. Then y is equal to 50 here. Third one, triangle MNA. So two angles are given 50, 60 and xy we are going to find out. So the sum of angles is 180. That means here 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 here. Then y equal to 180 minus 110, that equal to 70 degrees here. And x plus y is a linear pair, x plus y, that equal to 180, and x plus 70, that equal to 180, and x equal to 180 minus 70, that equal to 110 here. And also we can find out like the sum of opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. That means x is equal to 50 plus 60, that is equal to 110 degree here. Fourth one, ABC triangle, x and y we are going to find out. So angle x is equal to 60 degrees because opposite angles are vertically opposite angles are equal here. X is 60, then y we are going to find out. Then the sum of angles are 180, that means y plus 30 plus 60, that equal to 180. Then y is equal to 180 minus 90, that equal to 90 here. So here the angle is given y and 2x they have given. So it is 90 and y is also 90 degrees here because reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then y is 90. And we know that the sum of angles are 180. So one angle is x, the other angle is x. Y is 90, that equal to 180 here. Then 2x plus 90 equal to 180 here. So 2x equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. And x is equal to 90 by 2, that equal to 45 here. So x value is 45 degrees and here 90 degrees. That means this is 45, this is 45 and this is 90 degrees here. Next sixth one, here The angles have been given here, which is exterior angles. So here we are going to see the angles are x degrees, x degrees, x degrees. So inside angles will also become x here, because opposite, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposites are equal, that means x. Then we know the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. That means x plus x equal to 180 degrees. Then 3x equal to 180 and x is equal to 180 by 3, that equal to 60 degrees here. So each angle is 60 here. That means it is an equilateral triangle. Question number 3. Find the measure of the third angle of triangles whose two angles are given below. So first one 38 degrees and one not 2 degrees. So here two angles are given and we are going to find out the third angle here. So we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees here. So two angles have been given here and we are going to find out the third one. The third one, let it be x here. So x plus 38 plus 102, that is equal to 180 here. Then x equal to 140, that equal to 180 here. Then x is equal to 180 minus 140, that equal to 40 degrees here. Second one 116 and 30 degrees. So here we are going to see x plus 116 plus 30, that equal to 180 here. Then x plus 146 equal to 180 here, and x equal to 180 minus 140, that equal to 34 here. Third one 40 and 80 is there. So let the third angle is x. So x plus 40 plus 80, that equal to 180 degrees. Then x plus 120 equal to 180 and x equal to 180 minus 120, that equal to 60 degrees here. Question number 4. In a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees. Find the other acute angle. So in the question, two angles have been given. One angle is 30 degrees and the triangle is right angle triangle. That means the angle will be 90 degrees here. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees here. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So one angle is given, that is 30 degrees. Suppose it is a 30. The other angle, it is a right angle triangle. That means the other angle will be 90 degrees. So here 30. The other angle will be 90 degrees. And you are going to find out the other acute angle here. So let it be x here. And the total is 180 here. So 90 plus 30, that will be 120 plus x, that equal to 180 here, and x is equal to 180 minus 120, that equal to 60 degrees here. So the other acute angle is 60 degrees here. Question number 5. State whether true or false for each of the following statements. First one, a triangle can have two right angles here. So this statement is false here. This statement is false here because we can't see two 90 degrees in a triangle, because angle A angle A, the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So if two angles are 90 degrees, the third angle will be 0 here. The 0, it is not possible. So the statement given, in a triangle, two right angle, is it possible or not? The answer will be, it is not possible. The statement is false here. Next, a triangle can have two acute angles. The statement is true here. The statement is true here. That means the sum of angles is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. If one angle is less than 90 degrees, that means 80. The other is also less than 90 degrees, that is 80. Then the third angle will be 80 plus 80, that means 160. The third angle will be 20 here. So here two acute angles, is it possible? Means the answer will be yes, it is possible, and the statement is true here. Third one, a triangle can have two obtuse angles. So the statement here, it is false here. So why the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees? If one angle is above 90 degrees, suppose it is 95. The other angle is also 95. Then the third angle, suppose x here. Then 95 plus 95, it will become 190. And the third angle, you can't see here, because the sum of angles is 180 degrees. And you are going to add these two angles, then the sum is coming above 180 degrees. So it is not possible, the third angle. So the statement that in a triangle two obtuse angles, is it possible? Means it is not possible. The statement is false here. Fourth one, in each angle of a triangle can be less than 60 degrees. The sum of angles we know, A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Is it possible to have each angle less than 60 degrees? Then the statement is false here. It is not possible. Suppose it is one angle is 50, suppose the other angle is 50, suppose, then 50 plus 50, 100, the third angle should be 80, then it will fit in the triangle. So 50 plus 50 plus 80, 180 it will become. So if it is also 50, then the sum will be 150, which is not possible here. The statement given, each angle is less than 60 degrees, means it is not possible. The statement is false here. Question number 6. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles here. So in a triangle, the ratios are in 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that means the total is 6 here. So we are going to find out each side we are going to see here. So the angle is in a ratio 1:2:3. So first part by total part, that is 6, into the sum of angles is 180 here. Then we are going to see 30 degrees here. First one. Next, two parts. 2 by total 6 into the sum 180 degrees. So here 30 into 2, that means 60 here. Next, third one, third part 3 by total into 180. That means here 30, the 30 into 3, that is 90 degrees here. So we are going to see the three triangles. 3 angles, that is 30 plus 60 plus 90, which is equal to 180 degrees, are in a ratio 1:3 here. Question number 7. In a figure DE parallel to BC, angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle B is equal to 50 degrees. Find the values of X, Y and Z here. So here we are going to see Y value, suppose. So Y value, angle B, angle D are equal here. So angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B how much? It is given 50 degrees and angle D is y here. So y is equal to 50 degrees here. So y it is equal means the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal here, because the data given here is D parallel to BC, then angle B and angle D are the corresponding angles which are equal here. Next, we know the angle Y is 50, though then we are going to see ADE angle or ABC angle, where you are going to the sum of angles are equal to 180 degrees here. So first we are going to see ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that equal to 180 degrees here. So angle A is given 30 degrees, angle B is given 50, and angle C, that is Z, that is equal to 180 degrees. Then Z is equal to 180 minus 80, 180 minus 80, that equal to 100 degrees here. When Z is equal, then we are going to see X value, angle E, angle Z here, Z and angle X are equal. So these two are equal. Why here? In the sense, the reason is corresponding angles are equal here. Corresponding angles are equal. Or else we can find out ADE. ADE triangle, when you are going to see, the sum of angles are 180 degrees. So here we are going to see 30, here 50. Okay. So 30 plus 50 plus X, that equal to 180 degrees. Then X is equal to 180 minus 80, that will be 100 degrees here. So in this way also we are going to find out the angle here. Question number 8. In a figure, angle ABD is equal to 3 times angle DAB, and BDC angle is equal to 96 degrees. Find angle ABD. So here when you are going to see angle ADB and CDB, there are linear pairs. So angle ADB plus angle BDC, when you are going to see, that will be equal to 180 degrees, because the two angles are linear pair. So ADB, suppose we are going to keep X, and BDC is given, which is 96 degrees, and it is 180. Then X is equal to 180 minus 96, that equal to 84 degrees here. That is ADB, that is ADB here. So the angle we know, which is 84 degrees here. So this is 84, this is 84 degrees. Now we are going to find out angle this and angle this. So when you are going to see triangle ADB, it is the triangle which is having 3 sides. The sum of the angles will be equal to 180 degrees here. So now ABD angle plus DAB angle plus ADB angle, the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees here. So already in the data given here, which is ABD is 3 times DAB. So let DAB angle is X, suppose. Then ABD angle is 3 times more, that means here 3X. So 3X plus X we are going to see, and ADB we have found out, that means 84 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees here. So now we are going to see 4X equal to 180 minus 84, then 4X equal to 180 minus 84, that will be 96 here, and X equal to 96 by 4, that equal to 24 degrees. So x is 24 degrees, then that means x is 24 degrees means angle DAB is 24 degrees. Now we are going to find out ABD. Suppose ABD means what? In the question they are given 3 times of angle DAB here. 3 times of DAB, that equal to 3 into 24 degrees, that equal to 72 degrees here. So angle ABD is equal to 72 degrees. Question number 9. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 2 times angle Q and 2R, that angle R 2 times is equal to 3 times of angle Q. Calculate the angles of triangle PQR here. So here we know that angle in a triangle the sum of angles are equal to 180 degrees. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, that equal to 180 degrees here. So suppose let angle Q is equal to x here. Then angle P is equal to 2x, that means 2 times of angle Q here, that means 2x. Then angle R will become 3 by 2 x here. So we know that the sum of angles is 180. So when you are going to input these values, we are going to see like 2x plus x plus 3 by 2 x, that equal to 180 here. Then x, when you are going to take common, 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 2, that equal to 180 here. So here x equal to 3 plus 3 by 2. Then LCM 2 when you take here, 6 plus 3. So first 3 plus 3 by 2, that equal to 180 suppose. Then x LCM 2 here, 6 plus 3, that equal to 180 here. So x, that means 9 by 2, that equal to 180 here. Then x equal to 180 into 2 by 9, that equal to here 9 to 20, that will be 40 degrees here. So x equal to 40 degrees here. So we know that x is 40 degrees, that means angle Q is 40 degrees here. Then angle P, that is 2x, that equal to 2 into 40, that will be 80 degrees here. Next angle R is 3 by 2x, that equal to 3 by 2 into 40, that equal to here 20, and we get 60 here. Angle R is equal to 60 degrees. So angle Q is 40 degrees, angle P is 80 degrees, and angle R is 60 degrees here. Question number 10. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:4:5, find the angles here. So they are in the ratio 1:4:5, and we know that the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So here 1 plus 4 plus 5, so that will be 10. So here there are 10 parts in a triangle total. So first ratio, that is 1 part by total, that is 10 parts, that is into 180 degrees here. So 1 by 10th part we are going to see in a ratio. So that will be 1, that will be 18 here, that will be 18 degrees. Next second 4 by 10, so one part by total parts into 180 degrees. So here 4 into 18, so that will be 72 degrees here. So next 5 parts by total into 10, that will be 180 here. So 18 into 5, that will be 90 here. So one angle is 18, the other angle is 72, the other angle is 90. So total will be 180 degrees here. So these are in the ratio 1:4:5 here. Question number 11. The acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. So here we know that the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So suppose angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that equal to 180 degrees here. So one angle is 90 degrees. One angle is 90 degrees. In the question they are given, that is right triangle. We are going to find angle A and angle B, and these angles are in the ratio 2:3 here. They are in the ratio 2:3. The sum of these angles will be 90 degrees here. So here first one, the two parts we are going to, the sum of the angles is 90 degrees, and now 2 plus 3, that will be 5 here. So 2 by 5, the sum is 90, that equal to here 5, 18 into 2, that is 36. The second part, that is 3 parts by total 5 into 90, that equal to here 18 into 3, that will be 54 degrees. So one part is 36, the other part is 54, and the third angle is 90. If you are going to sum all these things, you are going to get 180 degrees. And this 34 and 43, 54, 36 and 54 are in the ratio 2:3 here. Question number 12. In the figure, triangle PQR is right angled at Q, ML parallel to RQ, and angle LMR is 130 degrees. Here 130 degrees. Find angle LPM, angle PML, and PRQ. So when you are going to see this triangle here, angle PML and angle RML, angle PML and angle RML is equal to 180 degrees, because these two are linear pairs, linear pair angles, linear pair angles. So PML, when you are going to see, we are going to see like it is x, this is 130, that equal to 180 degrees. Then x equal to 180 minus 130, that equal to 50 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees. So now we are going to see angle PML is equal to PRQ. These two are equal because corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal here. So that means this angle is also 50 degrees. Where PRQ. So this angle is also 50 degrees. This is 50 degrees and this is 50 degrees here. So now when you are going to see triangle PRQ, one angle is 50, the other angle is 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees given, and we are going to find out angle P here. So angle P, angle R and angle Q is equal to 180 degrees here. Angle P, angle R plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P we are going to find out that angle R is 50, angle Q is given 90 and it is 180. So angle P is equal to 180 minus 140, angle P is equal to 40 degrees here. So this is 40 here. So we are going to see this angle is 40, this angle is 50 and this angle is also 50. Question number 13. In figure ABCDE, find angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and plus angle 5 equal to how much? So here we are going to do the problem in different methods here. Suppose this is method 1, suppose method 1. So method 1 we are going to do the sum of angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees here, where n is sides, number of sides here. N is a number of sides here. So here n how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. That means 5 minus 2 into 180, that is equal to 3 into 180, that is equal to 540 degrees. The sum of angles are 540. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum is 540 degrees it is. Method 2, when you are going to see a 5 sides figure, when you are going to see ABCDE, so let's join the lines, then we are going to see 3 triangles here. So here we are going to say it is A1, A2, A3 and this will be angle 2. Let it be C1, C2 and let it be D1, D2 and this is angle 5 here. Then 3 triangles we are going to see. But 3 triangles, the sum of triangles we know it is 180 degrees. Sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So we have 3 triangles here. So ABC triangle and this ABD and another is AED. So when you are going to say here this will be 180 plus 180 plus 180 here. So triangle angles when you are going to say, so this will be A1 plus angle 2 plus C1. Now here sum A2 plus C2 plus D1 plus A3 plus angle 5 plus D2, that equal to 540 here. So when you are going to separate the angles, that will be A1 plus A2 plus A3, angle 2 plus C1 plus C2 plus D1 plus D2 plus angle 5 equal to 540 here. So we know angle A1, A2, A3 is angle 1 plus 2, C1, C2 is angle 3 and D1, D2 is angle 4 and this is angle 5, which is equal to 540 here. The sum of angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 540. Now we will see method 3 here. So you see the diagram is given here in this format: A, B, C, D, E. So if you are going to join the midpoints here, so you will be getting the centroid here. So afterwards, when you are going to form a triangle with these centroids, so let the centroid be O here. So this is A, B, C, D, E here. So let the angle here be A1, here A2, here B1, here B2, here C1 and here C2, here D1 and here D2, and here E1 and here E2. And let this angle be O1, O2, here O3, here O4, here O5. So now we are going to see the triangles. 5 triangles are there here, and we know the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now let's take first triangle here, triangle ABO plus triangle BOC plus triangle COD plus triangle DOE plus triangle EOA. So that will be equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 here. So now we have the angles here, which is A1 plus B1 plus O1. Next B2 C1, B2 plus C1 plus O2. Next C2 D1, C2 D1 plus O3. Next D2 E1, D2 plus E1 plus O4 plus E1. So this E2, E1 plus A2 plus O5, which is equal to 900 here. Now we are going to segregate here A1 plus A2 plus B1 plus B2 plus C1 plus C2 plus D1 plus D2 plus E1 plus E2. And also we know O1 plus O2 plus O3 plus O4 plus O5. So that will be equal to 900 here. Now we know A1, A2, which is angle 1, and B1, B2 we know angle 2, C1, C2 we know angle 3, D1, D2 we know angle 4, E1, E2 we know angle 5, and we know 0, O1, O2, O3, O4, O5. This combinedly we will get 360 degrees, and that will be equal to 900. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 4 plus angle 5, that will be equal to 900 minus 360. So that will be equal to 540 degrees here. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 540. So in this way also we can solve the question.